Monday, January 6th was an exciting day at MDC. It was the first day back to classes of 2020, the first chapel, and our first time back in the newly renovated chapel space. Exciting because it's been almost 2 years since the Our Future is Clear building campaign began. Since then, we have expanded the building to create new areas for community gathering and updated our classrooms with new educational technology. Besides facilitating new ways of teaching and learning, we also wanted to update our chapel. We knew we wanted to keep the chapel as a sacred space, set aside for our community to gather regularly. We also knew we wanted to maintain the art and architecture of the space and preserve key elements of the sanctuary like the cross, the stone tableaus of Jesus' ministry, and the carved angel troubadours that call us to worship from the main entrance doors. We needed to make the space function for how we do worship today. Dr. Wendy Porter and the worship team led us in worship, and Dr. Stanley Porter led us in dedicating the renovated space. We're so pleased with how the chapel and the whole project turned out. We'd love to show you around next time you're in the area.